Okay then, so this short video will explain the process of using the propulsion e-commerce theme for WordPress and how we simply add a new product. Okay, so let's jump into it. And for this particular video, this is for my client Simon. If we can log into your dashboard as per usual, we're going to go ahead and add a new product. So again, dashboard. And down the menu here we have products, and we're going to add product. Great, so the window pops up and we're going to give our product a name. So let's call this test card. We are then going to add some details for our test card, i.e. a description basically. So this could be maybe 2 or 3 paragraphs long. I'll just put in some test text there. And if we scroll down, our next job is to add an image of our product. Now normally with a blog post, we'd simply click on here, add media. But when adding a product, it's slightly different. We need to scroll down till you see the big green button saying add image to slideshow. Give that a click. Then we can go off and choose our image. I'll quickly navigate to one of Simon's photos. And for example, I'll use this picture here of some fishing pots. And just to recap, it's a good idea to keep your images about 800 pixels wide and no more. I'm going to click upload and away it goes. Great, so we can see our image. Let's scroll down here and click add to gallery. Okay, I had a slight interruption there, so I'll continue. So we're going to click add to gallery, which is the button just here. And then we can click off this page here, anywhere on the right hand side. And below our green, or above our green button, we can see the image we've added. I actually had a slight interruption from my daughter, so I added it twice. So I simply click on remove. There we go. So there's our one image above our slideshow. Now we can have multiple images for the same product. Just simply follow the same process again, clicking add image and select the additional image. I.e. this could be a close-up of the photograph or the back of the card perhaps, or the inside of the card. Completely up to you. Now just below the add image button we can see the product details, and we can see the SKU code, which is basically like an identification code for that product. So I'm going to call this greetings cards. I'll put GC, and I know it's a fishing pots, so I'm going to put FP. We can pop in the price. For this I'll say 150. And down here we can see dimensions, so I'll say 100 by 100. And over here we have the various tabs. Taxes have already been set before, but inventory. I know my client has a stock of cards, so if I click on manage stock and we say he's got 200 of these, when the computer recognizes that you've sold more than 200, it can remove that card from your shop in the meantime. And once we've got that in place, we can scroll down a bit more. Underneath the box saying product short description, we can add a quick, perhaps one liner describing the product. Again, this just helps a viewer to at a glance to see what it is. And again, it adds a few more Google friendly keywords to your product, which are all important. So again, we could have greeting card, fishing pots, but again something a bit more dynamic and readable than my blurb here. So just to recap on this section, we've added our title, we've added our descriptive text here, which could be a paragraph or two. We scroll down and we've added an image for our product, and we can have more than one image. And then just below there, we've filled out the details for our product under product data, i.e. its SKU code, which would be any code you like, its price, dimensions, and inventory. Then we scroll down a bit further to the product short description, and we've added maybe a one-liner about the product. Then all that's left to do over on the right hand side is to tell the WordPress what category it fits into and a few tags. So I've already created a category for this, and we're going to put it under Earth, Light and Time Note-lit cards. And in the tags I might put Note-lit card, gift, Simon, who's a photographer, and fishing, for example. Now it's always good if these product tags, the words also appear in your descriptive text, just as a quick hint. So when we're happy with those, we'll click on Add, and we can see them appear below here. And then we can go to the magic blue button, click on Publish, and that will add our new product to your shop. So if we go away now and we look at the actual site by going to Visit Site, and we go to the shop, and we go into the category Earth, Light and Time Note-lit cards, and we'll see, lo and behold, our new product, which I call Test Card. We can click on Show Details, and that's great. We can see my descriptive text here, my short description, the image of the product, and we can quickly test that it works by selecting it. We're going to buy one of these, add to cart. Great, our product has been added to the cart. And there you go, that's a short video describing how to add a product using the propulsion theme for WordPress. And there you go. Any questions, feel free to ask. Good luck.